Can I vlog or is that weird?
I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love.
What's up, guys? Today I'm going to Disneyland thanks to Maria.
Yeah.
She's gonna sign us in. Me, my friend Maria, my friend Perla, and my friend Ray are all going. We're just waiting for Ray to get here, and then we're gonna go get breakfast and go to Disneyland. I'm excited. Okay, see you later. Oh yeah, the people I'm going with today, I'm also going with to Coachella in April. I'm excited. Hey, okay, bye. Hi, Ray! Ah! My hair's crazy. I know, I have thick socks on. Ooh, the lighting is bad. We got to Disneyland. I almost died.
Like on acid and rolling. So.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hello.
I'm excited. I used to have a Disneyland pass, but I haven't been here since May. And now my dreams are coming true thanks to Maria. And it's the holidays, so it's the perfect time.
Are an especially good value. Maximize your purchase tickets. Access park your home.
To the driver's left hand side, please. Driver's left side on.
Oh, we all got different ones.
Oh, that's so unique.
Are you excited? Are you excited?
I
How do you
am.
feel? How do you
I
feel? Woo! Thanks, Maria. I love you.
I love you too.
Can I do an OOTD? So today, I'm wearing double stripes. I have like a faux or whatever these are called. I don't know. I call them turtlenecks. Hi guys. I don't know what these are called. And then I have another striped long sleeve under it. So I'm stripes on stripes. Who does that? No one. Me. And I have a belt, mom jeans. I got pin on them from class. Sorry, ignore that. And some old. What are these? Converse. There you go. How was it, Perla? Are you alive? Barely. You guys should have seen Perla's face. It was so funny. How was it, Ray? How was it, Maria?
I love it.
Okay, so we got off Guardians, and when we got off, there was literally no line. So Maria and Ray went to ride it again, but me and Perla need to go to the bathroom. So we're going to the bathroom, and we're gonna meet up with them to go on Monsters Inc. after. How? Perla doesn't like Mary Poppins because
And
Mary
she
Poppins
ignored
is
me.
her.
She just looked at me and ignored me. I'm mad. I don't like her.
Oh, you got a nice one. You got Pocahontas. I'm going.
You are most like the evil queen. You are most like.
Like
This
it.
is incredible. There you have it.
I like yours better. I didn't know if it was you or gonna be someone else, and I didn't want to scare someone else. In this time in the sky, a whole new world. 100.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Somebody touch my spaghetti.
What the heck? Dance, Maria. Hey, go, Perla. You always do the finger with the music. Been bad or good, so we get for goodness sakes. Oh, you bet. Oh, dang, Perla. Shots fired. My hair is doing what it wants, but look. Some miles, nice warm bed. Oh, past you got a friend in me. How's your day?
Good.
Ooh, Perla. Ooh, Ooh, work it, girl. Yes, yes. Oh! Are you guys ready? Are you ready?
I'm not.
Are you ready? I cry every
No,
time I
it's
get on this and
okay.
I'm scared.
We're not sweet that bad. We're not sweet
It's the height that scared me.
Oh my god.
The family's looking at
Oh my gosh.
I need to hear you people scream. So you have he told me
I don't like it! I don't like it! I can't get back! They're laughing at us. That's the thing, I'm actually scared. We're screaming and you guys...
I'm screaming too.
We got this Perla!
Destiny!
Where the people are, I wanna see. Girl, whoa, whoa. Okay, guys, so it is about 5. It's 5 o'clock? 5 o'clock. We've been on a few things, and Maria has been hooking it up. She has all her friends, so we've been getting like fast passes. We're about to go on Soarin' over the world right now, and then we're gonna go eat and switch to the Disneyland side. It like started raining for like 30 seconds, like really hard. So if you can tell, like the ground is wet because it's been raining, and I'm losing my friends. Sorry. But yeah, so Soarin', food, and then you guys will see the Disneyland park because we've been on California Adventure this whole time if you're not familiar with the parks.
It's the most
Oh, I just put a whole puddle on my shoe.
disgusting.
I'm mad. We just got to Disneyland and it was just like raining, so I put on a jacket and it's so pretty.
And
Huh?
I'm Sugar Ray.
That's Sugar
and I'm
Ray.
Sugar Mama.
That's true. I never noticed that.
And that's
Just
Sugar
Perla.
She's just Perla, and I'm Destiny or Day Day. Doesn't matter. We're trying to find someone to ask to take a picture of us. Ask this girl. Now the jingle hop has begun. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Mix and mingle and a jingle and beat. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle. That's the jingle bell rock. Come out. Aww. R.I.P.
No, Jesse, why did you do that?
Do what?
He told everybody it was my birthday on the 20th. I was like, no.
You don't want people to know it's your birthday?
No, I wasn't trying to be. Well, at least because I'm hosting a secret
Wait, your
Santa.
birthday is November 20th?
No, December 20th.
Oh, I was like, it passed. Maria just hooked it up again on Space Mountain with the fast passes, but I'm always scared to ask people for fast passes, but whatever, we get into the front of an hour line. That's just, I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious day! Oh. I don't even know if I'm singing the right words. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy again. You ready, Ray? For what, you ask? Under my umbrella, Ella, 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 Ella,
Ella!
Ella, Ella, Ella,
Ella, where you at?
Ella, 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 Shout out to all the pears. Do you remember that?
No. Wait, what was
Guys,
that?
it's raining, but you know, we still out here. Happiest place on earth.
It's pouring. It's raining, man. It's
Raining. You're really happy right now. Nah, I'm so happy.
Hey, go Ray. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Are you ready, Ray? Yeah. Ready for Okay, we just got off of Thunder Mountain, and let me tell you, the guy that worked, something just fell on my face. The guy that was working there was super cute, and freaking Maria and Perla went to go talk to the guy. That's embarrassing. Hi.
Why did you walk away?
because he was working.
I'm not gonna flirt. I'm not gonna flirt with him if he's working.
What do you say?
Like, oh, but then you walked away, so I'm gonna be.
Yeah, I saw you leave, so I was like, oh, is this a second attraction or a third one?
I would have asked.
Dang.
No, that's me. If I would have asked if he was like single or not, then he could think that I'm hitting on him.
You should have been like my friend. I'm just kidding. No, I'm embarrassed. He was beautiful.
I thought I was the one that had a thing for Asian.
Beautiful.
That's really cute.
Yeah,
Can
he
we go back
was
outside, right?
beautiful. Jesus Christ. It's freezing. It's raining. Me and Perla are going on Winnie the Pooh, and Ray and Maria are going on Splash Mountain, and they're gonna get soaked. And they're crazy. I'm not getting sick. Are you getting sick?
No.
Not today, Satan. They're crazy, dude. Not me.
But our feet are still wet, so.
Yeah. Since it's raining, we're still wet, and they're gonna go and get more wet. Oh, you're right there. They're crazy. Not me. I could never. My score and Ray's score. Who won? 639.
71,300.
I'm in level 6. I'm tired. Please send help. Help. I'm tired.
I'm not.
I am. Are you tired?
Yes, and I gotta drive.
Are you tired? Tired.
Like a man.
I'm not making an outro because I'm too tired. So this is my outro. I had fun at Disneyland.
No, make her
Thanks,
vlog.
Maria. She
Like,
made
can I
her
take
D
over?
great.
You made it magical.
Yeah, Maria's gonna
Except
take over.
this
Good night.
girl
Goodbye.
here,
Love you.
you
Bye.
didn't
Goodbye.
ask
Night.
You gotta make a bomb ass outro. No.
So I'm gonna end Destiny's vlog right here.
We're both gonna end Destiny's vlog right here.
Chilla gang.
Hey, chill
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Goodbye. Love you, Destiny.
It tastes amazing. I'm tired.